So what we see here is really a number of products that are designed to make the office experience as comfortable and as beautiful as possible. So what you're looking at here is the indoor garden. There's two different types. There's these ones on the left. This is just the indoor garden. And then the top one here is obviously this tower that's got the light technology in it as well. These are real plants. You can plant real plants, but it's really about just optimizing the condition of the plants to keep them healthy and growing and keep your office space vibrant.
I think the folks at LG's Innovation Lab really need to holla at your boy here, because if they think that lighting is impressive where you could light a room and grow plants, they really need to come to my house and into my kitchen, because I have a full standing vertical garden right in my kitchen. And this is how I get a head start to the gardening season. I'll start the plants inside my kitchen during the winter time. Soon as spring hits, transplant them outside, and TJ's your uncle. So I do like that light. I think it's cool. I don't understand why it's a concept. It's not that hard, man. Come on, we got LED, man. You give me a weekend and I can make something very, very similar to that with just using LED lights. So even though they say it's a concept, man, just put that on the market. Otherwise, Handy Andy here is gonna DIY a solution, something similar like that. But I like the concept. Light up a room and grow plants at the same time. Plants are nice to look at. Look, I got two of them right behind me. Anyways, folks, that's pretty cool. Let's look at what LG is doing in the coffee space, because they have another product that they're trying to innovate, making up a cup of coffee. So let's have a look at that product right now.
So these are the DUOBO. These are by LG Labs. They're coffee makers. Actually just use Nespresso pods, but what's really unique about these is they actually have a blending capability. So if you put in two different types of pods, it blends the two together for one coffee. You can adjust the temperature for what your preference is, the volume of what you'll brew. But again, these are just prototype. These are out of LG Labs.
So that DUOBO coffee maker is pretty high-tech looking. Looks like a spaceship or something that you would see from outer space. But do you really think it's high-tech? Do you think it's innovative? Or do you think someone like me or yourself has better ideas for the tech community out there, big tech, and their big budgets for R&D, man? Because you imagine someone like me with that kind of R&D? Whew, man, the things I'd be cooking. Anyways, folks, my name is Andy Baryer. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you again in the next video.